Nowadays, I keep asking myself one question. If AI can write code, then what are software engineers supposed to do now? Don't worry, software engineers are not going anywhere, but our job is definitely changing. And I think everything comes down to three simple changes. Point number one, AI will write more code. A few years ago, writing code itself was the most important skill. Today, AI can write code in just a few seconds. So, writing code alone is no longer enough. The real value is understanding the problem, checking whether AI's code is correct or not, and improving it when needed. So, you can think of AI as a junior developer now. It works very fast. Sometimes it gives amazing answers, and sometimes it is confidently wrong also. That is why software engineers are still needed. Point number two, learn how software works. Writing one function is easy. Building a complete application is different. How should the database be designed? How should different parts of the application talk to each other? How do you make the application fast and secure? These are the skills that companies really pay for. The better you understand how software works as a complete system, the more valuable you become. Point number three, use AI every day. Do not think of AI as your competition. Think of it as your assistant. Let AI handle the simple and repeated work. Your focus should be on solving problems and making better decisions. The more you use AI, the better you become at your job. The developers who start using AI today will have a big advantage tomorrow. So finally, is software engineering still a good career? Yes, absolutely. Software engineering is not disappearing, but it is changing. So I think do not focus on writing more code. Focus on understanding problems, learning how software works, and use AI every day because that is what the future of software engineering looks like. Thank you so much.